You have to see it. You gonna...
Ya çok güzel olmuş.
What is going on, everybody? I hope you're having a wonderful day. We are out here in the Beşiktaş area in Istanbul, and we're gonna do some street photography today. Today is a crazy busy day here in this area because there's a football derby going on, and Beşiktaş is playing Fenerbahçe, and the fans are going crazy in the streets. The game is about to start in half an hour. And we are out here, we're gonna do some street photography for you guys. And we're gonna have some fun today, so tag along with me. Let's check out this beautiful area. Now this is one of my favorite lighting situations. Just look at how beautiful the sun is hitting the people, with creating that beautiful rim light. And just look at these pictures. Now, one of the advantages of doing street photography in a beautiful city like Istanbul is that this city comes already with a lot of culture and a lot of history. So that makes your job as a photographer a lot easier, and sometimes all you have to do is point the camera at something and you already have a beautiful picture with a street photography characteristic, like this situation in front of us right now. Excuse me, hey, do you mind if I take a picture? Just please hold that thing up. Yeah, and stand over here for me, please. Thank you. Thank you. So one of the things I try my best to do is always trying to ask people before I take their picture. Now, I am guilty of not doing that at all times, but it makes me a lot more comfortable doing that. I just don't like the feeling of pointing a lens at somebody and start taking their pictures and kind of, make that eye contact, that unnecessary eye contact, and kind of walk away. So what I recommend to do is try to ask as much as you can.
Wow, this is so cool. This is a really this is a really cool back alley. If you just point my lens here and just wait for somebody to pass by it, it'd be really cool. In the meantime, our buddy over here just wants to say hello. Got the cutest dogs here in Istanbul. He just wants to chill with me. You want to chill with me, buddy? Yeah? You want to chill with me till we take pictures together? What's your name?
Here we go, we finally got people coming through the back alley. Let's get ready.
These are the beauties of using a telephoto for street photography, because motorbike coming in, some light in the background, exactly what we want. Amazing.
All right, we got a nice little situation going on over here. I'm gonna try to use the technique of putting something in front of my lens as a foreground object, and we got this beautiful image. Look at that. I mean, just look at that. This is what I mean when I say you get some pictures only in Istanbul. I mean, honestly, I take no credit for this picture. Just Look at this beautiful little corner with the light and so much culture, a group of old people playing chess together. Again, over here, I'm just pretty much pointing the camera at a beautiful restaurant with some beautiful lighting, some culture going on. Now it's starting to get a little bit darker, so it's that twilight moment, but the color of the sky turns out to be this beautiful blue, complementing the lights of the cafes and the restaurants. And we get this really nice, beautiful contrast. So this is definitely my favorite time to take street photos now. Let's come on over here. We got this couple sitting behind this red neon LED lights. I think it's a nice scene.
Walking in the middle of this tiny little alley road. Look at this. The lighting here is beautiful.
I actually started my creative journey with street photography, but that was well over a decade ago, and I hadn't done this in a long time. By this, I mean street photography, and I had a blast, to be honest with you. I hadn't made a video with this specific style before, you know, with the whole POV, going through the streets and, you know, kind of taking pictures or videos. I had a lot of fun. If this is something you would like to see in my channel, go ahead and tell me in the comments. Also, please tell me which part of the video was your favorite, and also tell me if you've already visited Istanbul, because my friend, this was my first time and I am in love with this city. So if you haven't visited Istanbul, I definitely recommend you put that on the top of your bucket list. Alright guys, that's it for this video. Hit that like button for me if you haven't already, and hit that subscribe button. Turn on that notification. Until we see each other next time, stay safe, my friends.